The OptiPlex 7070 Ultra is a first-of-its-kind modular desktop solution, a completely new, innovative form factor in the smallest size. Desktop users enjoy the beauty and space-saving design of an all-in-one, but want the flexibility to manage displays separately. The Ultra is the answer to a customer-inspired need for a desktop that is neat and compact, but does not compromise on flexibility and performance. Hiding the PC inside a monitor stand creates a zero-footprint design. By streamlining the internal layout and packaging parts vertically, it dramatically reduces the overall computer size. Utilizing Intel's 8th Gen mobile processors, running at 25 watts, provides full performance without compromise. Ultra provides the ultimate in flexibility for displays and accessories with no vendor lock-in. Run applications on more than one screen with built-in support for up to 3 monitors. It can support a VESA-compatible monitor of your choice, up to 38 inches, with the offset VESA mount. Refresh on your terms. Toolless assembly allows for quick access to OptiPlex 7070 Ultra solution elements, keeping deployment of PCs and service simple. The Ultra has a modular and upgradable design, so when it's time to refresh, there's no need to buy a completely new desktop. Easily swap out the display, the PC module, memory, and other components on your own terms. Dell recommends the Ultra PC module matched with a Dell USB-C monitor, the height-adjustable stand, and a short USB-C cable to connect the monitor to the PC. With USB-C, you can transmit power, data, video, and audio with a single cable, leaving fewer cords for you to manage. And with so many different configurations, the OptiPlex 7070 Ultra adapts to any workspace. Elevate your customer experiences when using the Ultra PC with a Dell monitor arm, the offset VESA mount, and a touch display for an interactive solution. Get the perfect blend of power, function, and design with the OptiPlex 7070 Ultra, the world's most flexible commercial desktop solution.
The PB60 is the latest generation of ultra-compact, lightweight mini PC from ASUS. The features and customizable options make this PC ideal for any business, school, or home setting. This PC is 6.88 inches squared, 1.3 inches tall, and just 2.6 pounds. Its small size and lightweight make it a non-intrusive device that can be placed anywhere, such as mounted on the rear of a monitor. Inside, you'll find up to an 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor, and for users with lighter needs, there are also models available with Core i5 and Core i3 processors. Supports up to 8 GB of DDR4 memory, and your choice of M.2 and 2.5-inch SSD storage. This mini PC is capable of up to 4K UHD resolution across up to 3 displays simultaneously, allowing for multitasking without compromising picture quality. On the front panel, there are 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports and 3 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, one of which is a Type-C connection, and another one can be used for fast charging. There's also an audio jack and microphone input. On the back panel, there's a Wi-Fi antenna connection, DC input, dual USB 2.0 ports, DisplayPort, USB 3.1 Gen 2 connection, HDMI, and a LAN connection. You also have the option for an additional VGA, DisplayPort, HDMI, or COM port. This optional port expands the business potential of the mini PC. Use it to operate any legacy devices such as scanners, printers, and digital signage. The PB60 can be expanded with modules like an optical disk drive or GPU module, featuring an NVIDIA Quadro P620 and support for up to 7 monitors. This allows the mini PC to provide the performance and flexibility needed for any application. If you have any questions about the PB60 mini PC, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
We designed the HP Elite Slice to modernize the work environment at the highest level, to bring computing back to the desk with purposeful design and sophisticated engineering. And above all, it's inspired by the versatile needs of the user. When you look at HP Elite Slice, you'll see its sleek, modular form with smooth edges and rounded corners. You'll immediately be drawn in by the elegance of the twinkle black coating. inspired by beautiful ceramic finishes and the stunning luxe copper accents that encompass its sculpture-like appearance. It's evocative of a piece of modern art, and its design expression is more akin to architecture than a computer. The thermal ventilation system that runs along the perimeter of the device dissipates heat discreetly and quietly. Every design detail was carefully thought out and expertly executed to look and perform unlike any other machine. The genesis of this device is the variety of user experiences it offers. Slice can be your desk phone, charging station, media player, and conferencing solution that gives you unparalleled ability to customize your workspace. Slice for meeting rooms has one-touch controls. It allows you to start meetings faster and easier than ever before. Whether you use Slice at your desk or in a conference room, you're equipped with the most innovative features, like custom-tuned audio by Bang & Olufsen for remarkable sound and a touch fingerprint sensor for world-class security. In essence, this desktop is a trophy of the modern workplace. It's the soul of a powerful PC inside a beautiful modular body. HP Elite Slice is the perfect combination of form and function with an added element of modern luxury. It's designed to inspire the modern workplace and transform the way you work.
Introducing our most versatile, scalable, and capable thin client ever positioned for the mid-range. With 2 sleek form factors and up to 21 ports and slots for ultimate configurability. Empower your cloud users with superior performance. Choose from fast and powerful Intel processor options that allow users to utilize 3D design applications in true 4K, with support for up to 4 4K displays and 2 2K displays at once. And work confidently with the most secure thin client operating system, Wise Thin OS, or choose from optimized Wise Thin Linux or Windows 10 IoT enterprise options. Plus, with Wise Management Suite, you can experience intelligent unified management, deploy quickly, and scale easily from the cloud and/or the data center. Don't just access your virtual desktop and application environment. Experience it with the Dell Wise 5070 Thin Client.
The QB5 is a tiny desktop that fits on the palm of your hand. It's perfect for office and other professional settings. It even takes care of general home entertainment. The QB5 can even be mounted to a monitor, making it a real space saver. The MP221 is a perfect choice for this with its VESA mount support. And with the support for extended power switch, there's no need to reach behind the monitor. Despite its tiny size, the QB5 still delivers top performance powered by Intel's 10th generation Core i7 processor. This means excellent processing power and a smooth desktop experience. MSI always strives for easy upgradability. On the QB5, the SSD and memory modules are seamlessly accessed through the bottom for upgrading. It's that simple. The QB5 is exceptionally silent. Even on the full load, it will still be the perfect choice for even libraries. This tiny desktop is rich in I/O ports. It also supports dual monitors with its HDMI and DisplayPort connections, letting you multitask even more efficiently. For more information, please go check out the product page, and thanks for watching.